Welcome to InfiGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we have one very interesting and challenging radical equation x cube minus 2 equal to 3 times cube root of 3x plus 2, which will be solving for real x. So let's get started. Most students will immediately cube this equation, but that actually makes the problem much harder. There is a much smarter way that solves the equation in few minutes. Can you spot it? Now you may pause the video and try this equation by yourself first. We'll be solving this equation by substitution method. Let us say cube root of 3x plus 2 equal to y. So we can write here cube root of 3x plus 2 equal to y. After cubing both sides, we will get 3x plus 2 equal to y cube. Now we can subtract 2 from both the sides and get our first equation y cube minus 2 equal to 3x. Equation number 1. Now we will write our original equation. After substitution, x cube minus 2 will be equal to 3 times y. So we can write this is equal to 3y, equation number 2. Now we are going to subtract second equation from first one. So we need to change the sign here. Plus and minus 2 will get over. We will write here y cube minus x cube equal to 3 times x minus y. Now we will take all the terms to left hand side. So equation will become y cube minus x cube plus 3 times y minus x equal to 0. Now we'll be using a cube minus b cube formula over here. We will get y minus x times y square plus x square plus xy plus 3 times y minus x equal to 0. Now we can take y minus x common out. So in other bracket we can write y square plus x square plus xy plus 3 equal to 0. Now we'll use product 0 rule. So either y minus x equal to 0 or we'll write y square plus x square plus xy plus 3 equal to 0. Now from our first equation, we are going to get x equal to y or y equal to x. So we have first condition or first result x equal to y. Now we are going to solve second equation. I will take plus 3 to the right hand side. So we will write y square plus x square plus xy equal to negative 3. Now we are going to multiply this equation by 4 both sides. So we will write times 4, which will give us 4y square plus 4x square plus 4xy equal to 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. Now we will split 4y square as y square plus 3y square. So let us write 4x square plus y square, and then we have 4xy in LHS. Then we will write the remaining y square term, which is 3y square, and RHS is negative 12. Now from first 3 terms, we can write this is one perfect square of 2x plus y. Then we have plus 3y square and RHS is negative 12. Now 2x plus y whole square must be greater than 0 or equal to 0. 3y square must be greater than or equal to 0. Summation of two non-negative numbers cannot be negative. This will possible once solutions are complex. So we will write here complex solutions. So we can reject our equation y square plus x square plus xy plus 3 equal to 0. So we will accept only result x equal to y. Now I will write here x equal to y, and we can write our first equation or second equation, x cube minus 2 equal to 3 times y. Now we will put y equal to x. So we will get one cubic equation in single variable x cube minus 2 equal to 3 times x. Or we'll write x cube minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. If I will plug in x equal to 1, will it satisfy our equation? No, 1 minus 3 minus 2. It is not. If I will plug in x equal to minus 1, I can write here minus 1 plus 3 minus 2. Yes, this is satisfying our equation. So we will say x equal to minus 1 is our base solution to this cubic equation. Now we can use synthetic division method, SDM. Here we need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation first. So coefficient of x cube is 1. Coefficient of x square is not there, so we'll write 0. Coefficient of x is minus 3. Constant is minus 2. Now we'll put one line over here. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. We'll write 1. Now we have to multiply base solution with leading coefficient. So minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. We'll add these two numbers. So we'll write here minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. We'll add these two numbers and write minus 2. Minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. Addition of these two will give us 0. And here we have coefficients for quadratic equation. So we can write equation x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Our first solution is x equal to negative 1. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So I will write equation first. Now coefficient of x square is 1. So we can write here a equal to 1, b equal to negative 1 and c equals to negative 2. We are going to use quadratic formula. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. Let's plug in all the values of a, b and c. We will get x equal to minus b. So minus of minus 1 will become plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is plus 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 2 over 2 times 1. So we can write 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 8 over 2 will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 9 over 2. Now square root of 9 is 3. So we will write 1 plus minus 3 over 2. With plus sign we will write 1 plus 3 over 2. With minus sign we can write 1 minus 3 over 2. So we are going to write here 4 over 2 and minus 2 over 2. So we will be getting x equal to 2, x equal to negative 1. So we have two values from this equation. Now we will write all the three values of x here. So let me write x equal to -1 is our base solution, and there will be 2 also. So we will write -1 and 2. So our real solutions must be x equal to -1 and 2. Now we are going to verify our solutions. So I will begin with x equal to -1. Here we have equation. So we will begin with left hand side. LHS is x cube minus 2. So we can write -1 in place of x cube minus 2, which will be equal to -1, -2. LHS is -3. Now we will find RHS. RHS is 3 times cube root of 3x plus 2. Now we will plug in x equal to -1. We will get 3 times cube root of -3 plus 2. 3 times -1 is -3. So 3 times cube root of -1, which we can write 3 times -1 whole cube with cube root. Now cube root and cube will be cancelled out. We are going to get 3 times -1. So RHS is also -3. LHS is -3. RHS is equal to LHS, which is -3. So our solution x equal to -1 is verified solution. Now we are going to check x equal to 2. So I will write x equal to 2 and we will begin with LHS. So LHS is x cube minus 2. We will write 2 cube minus 2. We are going to get 8 minus 2. So LHS is 6. Now we will find the value of RHS at x equal to 2. We will write 3 times cube root of 3x plus 2. Now we will be putting x equal to 2. We will get 3 times 2 is 8, or I can write 6 plus 2 first. Then we will write 3 times cube root of 8, which is 3 times cube root of 2 cube. Cube root and cube will be cancelled out. We are going to get 3 times 2, which is equal to 6, and 6 is our LHS. LHS equal to RHS, hence our solution x equal to 2 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.